Welcome back all of you. In the last video, we have seen the basic requirements for an internet connection. Now, in this video, I'll explain you the web browser and its different parts. So, first let us see what is a web browser. Okay. So, browser, it is a software which helps us to get access to the internet. Means it is a software which helps us to get connected to internet. Without a web browser, you cannot connect your computer to internet. Okay. So, in order to get internet connection, web browser is very essential, or rather we can say web browser is a must. And as you all know, the very commonly used web browser is the Google Chrome, isn't it? So now, without wasting any time, let's see the Google Chrome window and its different parts. As I said, Google Chrome is the most commonly used web browser. So, this is the icon of Google Chrome web browser. Okay. Now, this web browser, it can be opened by two ways. First, either by double clicking on this icon, or by following the steps. That is, click on Start, All Programs, and then Google Chrome. Okay. So here I'll open this by double clicking on the icon. After double clicking on the icon, the home page of Google appears. So this is the home page of Google. Okay. Now, if you want to get any information regarding any topic, so here in this bar, you have to type the keyword. So now, let me find some information about internet. Okay. As I typed internet and pressed enter key, so this web page appears. Okay. I hope so you all can see this web page, and you can see this highlighted text. So this is known as hyperlink. Okay. So this hyperlink, clicking on this, we can get information regarding the topic. Now, this is the Chrome window where you can see the different options present here. Okay. So, let's begin with the first option. This option is known as back option. Clicking on this option takes you to the previous page. As you have seen, my first page was Google home page, isn't it? And the second page is this one, this internet web page. So, when I click on this back button, what happens? The home page will appear, because before this page, I have opened Google home page. So, let's see. Can you see the home page? It appears. Now, the next option is the forward option. Forward option, clicking on this option, it will take you to the next page. And if you remember, after this Google home page, okay, which was our next page? That was the web page of internet. So, let's see what happens when clicking on this. See, got it? Followed? Okay. The next option, this option, it is the reload option. Okay. And reload option is used to see the current version of the web page. Okay. So this is the new updated version of this internet web page. So clicking on this, it shows you the recent version of the current web page. Clear? Next option, this star mark, can you see? This is called the bookmark option. Now, you all are fond of reading comics, isn't it? Now, what happens? In a day, it is very difficult to complete the whole book. So, after reading certain pages, what we do? We keep a bookmark in the last page. Means last page means the page which we have read lastly. So why we keep a bookmark there? So that again when we need it, okay, when we want to read, so directly we can open that page, isn't it? In the same way, in this Chrome window, this bookmark option helps the user to just store the website, okay, which the user has visited once and in future they want to visit it again. So bookmark option is used to store and organize the website and revisit them whenever needed. Clear? Next one is the new tab option. Can you see this plus option, plus sign? Just clicking on this, it opens, means a new web page can be opened in a new tab. Got it? Here, 3 small dots. Can you see these 3 small dots? Yes. So this option is known as Customize and Control Google Chrome. Now, when we click on this option, you can see so many sub options are here. Okay. So the first option here is the history. Now, what is the use of this history? It displays the list of websites which you have visited recently. Now, can you see here? Internet, Google search, Google homepage, all these websites we have visited. So, history shows the list of websites which we have visited recently. Clear? The second one is the zoom option. Now, what is the function of this zoom option? Zoom option, it helps to increase or decrease the content size of web pages, means the matter which is written in the web pages. By clicking on this minus sign, the size decreases. Can you see now? See? And if you click on this plus sign, the size of the web page increases. Can you see? Yes? Okay. The next option is the print option. Now, print option is used to take the printout of the current web page on which we are seeing or on which we are working. Clear? Then next comes the more tools. Okay. In this more tools, such as the options as page, save page as, and all other options are there which are used for different work. Clear? So I hope so this Google Chrome window, the options of Google Chrome window, it is clear to all of you now. Yes? I hope so this Google Chrome window and its part is very clear to all of you. Okay? So in the next video, I'll start with a new chapter. Till then, bye and thank you for watching the videos.